Today we're looking at the Frontline transport caddy. With this unit, we can easily remove oil that's gone bad and then take it to our disposal area without getting oil all over the floor or having our staff mess around with containers or anything. So basically what we have here is a pump, a big storage container, and then the wand here which we're going to directly put into the oil. We have two options here to either fill the caddy or empty the caddy, so we're going to fill the caddy. And then what that does, it draws the oil up through the lance, which has got a filter on it, so that you're not getting lots of bits of chips or chicken in there. And what it will do, it will then gradually fill the tank. Once you've removed the oil, if you leave it in the caddy for a while before you then dispense it into the containers it came in or a big oil drum, the power cord here then plugs in down the bottom, and there is a heater that will warm the oil slightly, which will make it easier for the oil to pump out. Here at Jestic, we do a lot based on how to make your oil last longer, how to manage oil, how to dispose of oil. We have a team that can help you get the maximum use out of your oil, or the maximum time out of your oil, which will save you money in the long run. Okay, so now we've emptied the oil, all the bad oil is now in our caddy system. We can now wheel this to our oil removal area or waste oil area. If this unit is too big for you and you're looking for something smaller, they do various sizes. If you would like to know more about making your oil last longer or the removal of your oil safely, please get in touch with us at Jestic and we can have you down in the test kitchen to show you what we can do.